Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pause a game download on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe it's like laggy or something like that when you're trying to play Fortnite or another game. Now, if you go on over to the game, you can see that it's downloading with this little progress bar. If we select A on it, it's going to give us download options. And it says cancel download or download the software first. So it really doesn't give us really good options on here. But you can prompt a way to actually get it to say pause. So I'm going to go to all software, and then I'm going to go to re-download software. And there's a few different ways that we can do this. And sometimes it will pause it automatically when we're playing. So this is loading back and forth. So I'm going to download another game. So let's go to one of these games like Eternal. I'm just going to re-download this one. So download has started. So when I download another game, it should pause the progress on my other game. So if I go to this one now, you can see it's paused right here. So I can download this software first. Then I can go back. Now it's unpaused. So I can go to this one. This one is paused. So there is no option just to pause it on here. But if I press options on it, the plus icon, go to software update, it says download. You can view the download status via the home menu. The download will pause if the software being played uses communication features or if other software starts downloading. So it doesn't seem like there is a direct way to just pause it, but it will automatically pause if you're playing a game and you're using communication features or if you download another software like this. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.